Hey everyone. In this video, I'll explain advanced Discord role permissions so you can get complete control over your server. Yeah. If your roles are messy or not set up properly, it can cause serious issues like abuse, spam, or even security risks. So getting this right is super important. So first, go to your server settings and open the roles section. Here, you'll see all your roles listed, and the order actually matters a lot. Roles at the top have higher priority, so make sure your admin and moderator roles are placed above others. Next, configure permissions carefully. Yeah, avoid giving full admin access unless it's absolutely necessary. Instead, enable only specific permissions like managing messages, kicking members, or moderating chats based on the role. After that, create a separate role for new members. Keep this role very limited, like no link sharing or restricted messaging until they're verified or trusted. This helps prevent spam and keeps your server safe. Also, use channel-specific permissions. Yeah, you can control who can see or send messages in certain channels, which is perfect for private sections or staff-only areas. And yeah, always test your roles after setting them up. So switch roles or use a test account to make sure everything works exactly how you want. Finally, review your permissions regularly and remove anything unnecessary. Most of the time, a clean and controlled role system keeps your server organized and secure. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.